As your cruise ship eases into the harbour and the sun rises over the rooftops of Aarhus, you'll quickly sense there's something different here. It's not just Denmark's second largest city. Aarhus is where old world charm blends with Nordic innovation, where cobbled streets and timbered houses meet rainbow-coloured rooftops, and where Viking legends whisper from beneath the stones. This isn't a city shouting for attention. It's one that welcomes you in quietly and rewards those who pay attention. Today, we'll show you how to spend one perfect day in Aarhus, from local flavours to hidden gems, cultural highlights, and day trips just beyond the port. Aarhus is located on the east coast of the Jutland Peninsula, and it might just be one of the most cruise-friendly cities in Scandinavia. Compact, clean, creative, and packed with personality. Despite its size, it's incredibly easy to explore. In fact, most of what you'll want to see is just a short walk from the ship. Whether you're into Viking history, modern art, shopping, food, or just soaking up local life, Aarhus delivers a well-balanced and surprisingly memorable port day. Arrival and getting around. Cruise ships dock at the port of Aarhus, usually less than 1 mile from the city centre. Most passengers can walk off the ship and reach the main sites in 15 to 20 minutes on foot. The walk is flat and safe, with signs leading you toward town. But if you prefer, you'll find local shuttle buses or taxis right at the terminal exit. Tip: there are no hills in Aarhus. It's a great city for wandering. Most attractions are within a compact, pedestrian-friendly area. What to do in Aarhus? Let's explore the cultural highlights of Aarhus, a city that blends Viking heritage with modern Nordic innovation. First, visit Den Gamle, the Old Town Open-Air Museum. Step into a time capsule of Danish life spanning 3 centuries. This award-winning museum isn't behind glass. It's a living village made up of relocated historic buildings and costumed characters bringing daily life to life. You'll experience authentic bakeries with traditional pastries, craftsmen working with period tools, and the museum's charming 1970s street complete with record stores and vintage cars. Den Gamle offers a truly immersive journey through Danish history. Next, head to the ARoS Aarhus Art Museum, a beacon of modern creativity. This contemporary art museum features thought-provoking exhibits, bold sculptures, and striking installations. The museum's crown jewel is the rainbow panorama walkway on the rooftop, a circular glass corridor in all colours of the spectrum. Walk through this coloured glass ring for sweeping 360-degree views of the city, each section tinted in a different hue, transforming Aarhus into a kaleidoscopic landscape. In the heart of Old Aarhus stands the Aarhus Cathedral and Latin Quarter. The cathedral reaches toward the sky as Denmark's tallest and longest church, with origins dating back over 800 years. Surrounding it is the Latin Quarter, the oldest part of the city, characterized by narrow cobbled alleys and half-timbered buildings. This district is home to independent boutiques, artisan workshops, and cozy cafés, selling everything from handmade jewelry to cutting-edge Danish design goods. For a glimpse into picture-perfect Danish living, take a short stroll to Møllestien Street, one of the most charming lanes in Aarhus. This tiny cobbled street is lined with colourful 18th century cottages adorned with blooming flowers. The pastel-coloured facades create a fairy tale setting that feels frozen in time. Finally, visit Dock 1 and the waterfront, a symbol of Aarhus's commitment to innovation. This striking building houses the city's main library and cultural centre, featuring bold modern architecture right on the harbourfront. The surrounding waterfront area has been thoughtfully redeveloped with promenades and contemporary design that exemplifies modern Denmark's human-centred approach. Food and local flavours. Aarhus is a gastronomic hotspot, not just for fine dining, but also for honest local eats. Start with Smørrebrød, open-faced rye bread sandwiches topped with everything from cured salmon to pickled herring and crispy onions. Try frikadeller, Danish meatballs served with potato salad or remoulade. And don't miss a wienerbrød. That flaky, buttery pastry the rest of the world calls a Danish. Pair it all with a craft beer from one of Aarhus's microbreweries or a local cider, often organic and brewed just outside the city. Don't want to choose? Head to the Aarhus Street Food Hall, a bustling food court just behind the train station. Housed in an old bus garage, it features over 30 food stalls from around the world, plus local specialties and great people watching. Optional day trips from Aarhus. If you've been to Aarhus before, or just want a taste of rural Denmark, these nearby spots are ideal cruise day adventures. Consider visiting the Moesgaard Museum, a modern Viking and archaeology museum set in a grassy hillside just 15 to 20 minutes outside the city. Home to the Grauballe Man, a remarkably preserved 2,000-year-old bog body. Both fascinating and eerie. For a fairy tale experience, head to Ebeltoft. This harbour town looks like it fell out of a storybook. Expect half-timbered houses, narrow lanes, and the Frikadeller, the world's longest wooden warship, now a museum. An hour by car or tour. Nature lovers will appreciate Marselisborg Deer Park, a peaceful forest where friendly deer roam freely, just outside the city and easily reached by taxi or local bus. Shopping and local finds. For local souvenirs, skip the tourist shops and head into the Latin Quarter. You'll find handcrafted jewellery, Nordic-style home decor, locally produced jam or honey, small batch coffee or chocolate, minimalist fashion and ceramics. Want something easy to carry back to the ship? Look for Danish-designed mugs, tea towels, or tote bags featuring Aarhus landmarks. Practical tips. Here are some practical tips for your visit. The currency is Danish krone, DKK. The local language is Danish, but almost everyone speaks excellent English. Denmark is nearly cashless. Credit debit cards and mobile pay are king. Free Wi-Fi is available in cafés and public spaces. Tipping is not expected, but appreciated for great service. Aarhus might not have the big-name pull of Copenhagen, but that's exactly why people fall for it. It's real. It's welcoming. It's the kind of place where you can explore cutting-edge art one moment, walk cobbled streets the next, then share a beer with locals who genuinely enjoy their city. Check the video description below for links to recommended local tours that you can book directly with trusted operators. And if this video helped you plan your day, give it a like, subscribe for more port guides, and drop a comment sharing what you're excited to experience in Aarhus. We'll see you in the next port. Happy cruising.